good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted. I think only videos that's on my channel right now is my wisdom teeth video and my intro. So yeah, so I'm about to post this video. This video is gonna be about this week, yeah, we're gonna do the monkey app challenge. I guess that's what we can call it, the monkey app challenge. So then what we're gonna do, oh yeah, by the way, this is my best friend Jasmine. You know, I didn't forget about her. I was just gonna do it, but then it's gonna take too long. So yeah, clothes on just because we're doing the best friend tag. Okay, on the same day. Anyways, so right now we're gonna do the monkey tag. We're gonna basically just ask them to rate us, really, because we tried to do it before and a whole bunch of stuff. Anyways, but to note, I do have a boyfriend. Okay, I do have a boyfriend. I do know. She don't, but I do. So this is no connection or anything. I'm not trying to get no boyfriend off of this or anything. I'm just doing this for content. Okay. So therefore, I'm just wiping my nose because I feel like it.
I'm single as well, but I'm not looking for anybody.
So. Yeah. Okay. She's single, but she's not looking for anybody. But I have a boyfriend and I'm not looking for anybody. So anyways, we're about to get into this video, and I don't know, all that talking or anything. Well, let's get into this video. What's good?
How y'all doing?
Can you do us a favor?
What's up?
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Hey, every girl's a 10 in my book.
Oh, okay.
All
Thank you.
No, very beautiful.
Thank
y'all
you.
have a good one.
You too. Oh my.
Thank you. That was weird.
Yeah.
I used to live in Rock Hill, South Carolina.
Yeah. Can you do us a favor? Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
You said what?
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
10.
That was so weird.
Yeah, that was weird as hell. Hey, how are you? Can you do us a favor? Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
This on YouTube?
No.
Nah, I'm not fucking with it. My girl nuts.
Okay, bro. I'm dead. Respect that.
He said his girl not fucking with it, y'all.
It's good.
Can you do us a favor?
You're looking beautiful today.
Thank you. Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
Okay, all y'all get one.
I'm sorry? What did you say?
I think you said all y'all get ones.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. No very much.
Because they gonna take it also your art.
Hi. Can you rate us from 1 to 10, please? Oh my god.
Can you rate us? Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Okay, so y'all are even more goofy than the last fucking time. Okay.
Yeah, y'all. It was a fail again, so we had to do this over again.
What the fuck?
Yo, get out.
Ooh.
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
Rated? Oh, that's like a solid 8.
Okay. From you, my guy.
I'll give y'all the 11.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, oh my god.
Time at time.
No, I ain't no that time. Can you do us a favor?
Yeah.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
I can't see the other one. Y'all both 10s.
Thank you. Scoot in just a little bit.
Hey, y'all some beautiful motherfuckers.
Thanks.
Thank you. Can you rate it?
Y'all put the G in gorgeous. Y'all are beautiful as shit.
Wow, thanks.
Thank you.
And y'all farts probably smell good.
Oh my god, thank
Oh.
you.
Okay. Wow, you niggas are weird. Like,
Did this nigga say our farts probably smell good? Oh my god.
hi.
What's good?
Can-
Hey, I know you.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I don't know your name though. So
From
let
where?
me hit this shit first.
Man, you're taking too long, dude.
Hey, I know you.
You don't know me, baby. Hello?
What's up? At time.
Nah, can you rate us from 1 to 10 though really quick?
First that time.
No, thank you.
8 or 9.
Thank you.
Hey, can you...
Oh, you.
Hey, can you rate us...
Bougie. Okay, what's up?
Can you both... can you rate us from 1 to 10?
100. 100.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you.
100.
Keep your kisses over there.
Right.
Pablo.
Okay, bitch.
Oh, shit. Hey, what's good?
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
Hey, add time and we will. What'd you say? Add time and we will.
No, just
Well,
rate
then,
one.
both of y'all, I give y'all both a 10. How about that?
Thanks. Simple question, simple answer. Thank you.
Alrighty.
You wanna smash?
Yeah.
That like button?
Huh?
Wanna smash that like button?
Yeah.
Follow me!
Okay, Daddy.
Yo, I'm weak. These kids is wild.
Oh, yeah.
Shut the fuck up. I'm gonna shoot this shit out you, though.
Yo, what's up with y'all?
No, he
What
said
up?
he just said he gonna shoot us. We don't want to talk no more.
Fuck.
No, not you, J-Dot.
Nah.
Go on now. You fucking
Shit,
crazy.
Y'all get shot too, though, if y'all want. Not
Fuck
sure.
you,
Fuck you,
bitch. Fuck.
Oh, I'm about to just start talking shit to my
Hell yeah.
Low.
Hi.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Outside.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Why are you gonna put a number on yourself, baby girl? You're beautiful no matter what.
Thanks.
Oh, thanks. That was cute. You get it. Just kidding. Where am I? No, he was cute though. Little Mexican puppy.
Okay, papi. Oh, if y'all know what I'm talking about.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. There goes on.
I'm dead.
Hey.
Oh, bitch.
My dog's a demon.
Your dog's a rat.
Yo, white people are weird.
That's fuck.
Clay.
What the hell? We should sound like we're from Britain.
Hello?
Hello.
Damn, where y'all from?
Britain?
Britain?
Britain, yes.
Damn, y'all so pretty.
Thank you.
Y'all pretty.
We act like we Chinese now.
Bitch, no, I don't even
Or
have to
something.
do
What
a
we should
fucking
what you wanna
Chinese
do? What you wanna do?
accent.
Country as
bitch.
fuck. Country as fuck. Or British. Okay.
Country.
Okay. Howdy, partner.
Howdy, partner. Howdy.
Howdy, partner.
Hello?
Howdy, partner. How to do down in yonder?
What the fuck? What the fuck? What? I can't.
Sorry. Hey, yo, for the Zoes. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, you got an accent, mate.
Yes, I'm from Britain.
Don't fuck with me.
Yeah, I'll fuck you up, bitch. Don't play with me. I ain't from no fucking Britain. I'll beat your fucking ass. Play with me, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, I'm scared. I'm just kidding. Yeah. What?
What happened?
Hello.
Oh my god, they're so pretty.
Thank
Oh,
you.
thank you.
You're pretty. Oh, so
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
pretty.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, how do we go back?
It just broke my heart.
How Hey, can you rate us from 1 to 10?
I think both y'all are 10.
Thank you.
Did y'all get ready just so you can ask people questions? Like,
Bitch, mind your business.
What did this nigga just say?
He said, "Did you get ready to ask people questions?" First of all, no, bitch. We have both had a busy day.
Hey,
Thank you.
boo. Damn, I got the bad bitches finally. I've been talking to straight trash until now. Hey,
Hi, can you rate us from 1 to 10
you're
really
so
fast?
sexy.
Okay.
You gonna be my wife.
I'm taken. I got a husband.
And I'm good on it.
My
thanks.
ring is just. Niggas is weird. Weird as fuck. We only got like how many more minutes?
what's up?
What's good? Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Huh?
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Alright, 1 on the left, 7, 1 on the right, 8.
I still don't really know who they talking about when they
Right
do
though,
that.
because I don't know if it's flipped or if it's
Yeah, me
straight.
either.
What's good?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
Okay, we gotta have time.
We don't have time.
No.
We can add that from Brittany.
You a 10, and I rate.
Thank you. Oh, you're from Connecticut?
Okay, bye.
Hello.
Oh, I like your curls is on fleek, girl. That's what I'm talking
Thank
about.
you. It's all natural. But anyways, can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
I can't hear you. Can you one time?
Can you? No.
Hello?
Hi, can you rate us from 1 to 10, please?
10.
Thank you.
10. 10. 10.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you guys doing YouTube video?
Yes.
Alright.
No. We need to make up another accent. Should I do that?
Bitch, no.
I'm like,
Bitch, don't. So you gonna get reported.
I'm just kidding. I ain't making fun of nobody with special needs.
Facts. True shit. Hey, can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
Y'all 10. Both y'all 10.
Thank you.
So.
Appreciate it.
She takes so long to hang up.
Facts, though.
We need to make up another accent. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo está como Enrique? Mir has exited monkey.
Okay. Okay.
What's good, James?
Hello?
Hey, you from Kirkland?
No.
Oh, you lied?
What?
You lied on your thing?
Lakeland.
Oh.
Fuck you.
Lakeland!
These white people be so mad on here.
What's good, Joe? What you smoking on?
What's up? What you doing? Dang, that fucking fun as fuck.
Alright, can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Alright, at time, and yes, I'll talk to you all day, every day.
Yeah, no, we ain't say talk. We just say rate from
Man,
1 to
fuck
10.
you, bitch.
Bitch, fuck you. Fake ass pin.
Right. It's just fucking fly. It's just fly around my basement.
Hello.
Hello?
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Where y'all from?
Hey, Marshawn, don't be asking me. I'm not talking to you. I got a boyfriend. Hello.
How y'all doing?
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Oh, you just Rachel. Y'all both. A 10, both of y'all.
Thank you.
Next time.
Bye. Bye, nigga. I'm trying to get it.
Oh my god, I've got it.
What's up, Connor? Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
What was that? Hey, follow me.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Follow me.
No. Y'all some horny ass bastards, like, for real. Sickening. Very sickening.
Damn, y'all fan as fuck. Man,
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
I'm 24.
Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
Ask for 10.
No, you like a Martian.
Literally.
A Martian.
Literally.
Rock kill.
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
I rate the person on the left. I rate the person on the left a 10. Person on the right a 1.
That is clear. I'm not even disturbed.
I'll be sucking dick. What? I said they be sucking dick.
Oh, I thought you said I'll be sucking dick. I'm like, where the fuck that shit come from, bitch?
No.
What the fuck?
Oh my god, no. I said y'all be sucking dick. OD. Bitch, no. She said. I can't.
Oh shit! Damn, she fine.
Can you do us a favor and rate us from 1 to 10?
10. Y'all both at 10 for sure.
Thank you. Take. Oh yeah, sleepy.
Hey, what up?
We saw you digging in your teeth. Can you rate us from 1 to 10 though?
Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
You trying to show me some titties?
Fuck you and your little ass dick, bitch.
What the fuck?
You're not gonna add it? No.
Whoa. Where
Hey,
y'all coming from?
Heaven. Can you rate us from 1 to
Hold
10?
on, add time real quick. That's a real tat on your hand?
Yes, it is. Can you rate us from 1 to 10?
It's real?
Yes. Like, what the fuck? You ever think I'm gonna have Henny on my head? Shit. I think they just started to get sleepy and being weird. See?
Excuse me. You good? What's up, bro? You need something like?
Don't do that.
Oh
okay.
hell nah. This nigga he just killed somebody. Okay. I think.
We about to just start chatting with these people. So.
Oh my god, who's big? Excuse me. Okay.
They were fake.
Walmart buys. Beauty store buy.
Claw. What's good, Kimari?
Hey, Kimari's.
Oh my god, hell no. Fuck that.
Add time.
Hell no.
Add time.
No,
Hell
bitch.
no.
What's
Go to
your
bed. Go to bed.
Okay, this one's gonna be the last one. Next one.
Pinky promise.
This nigga skipped. What the fuck is your shit?
Damn, that ass fat as fuck. What the fuck? Oh shit. These white people weird,
Yo,
bruh.
why the last one always gotta be the final
Fucking
finale?
weird one, bruh.
What's
Hello?
good?
Damn! Oh, no, I have a black friend. Chill!
Yeah, okay, can you guys rate us from 1 to 10?
Guys, sound like
No, she's pretty. Nah, she's pretty. All right, yeah. Let me see. Never pretty, right?
Thanks.
That's just us, like when we older though. No, we're not.
That was really cute.
It's just like us when we older though.
It's so cute.
Alright, that's the last one, y'all. We out this piece. I can't exit. Try and exit this shit out, and I am. But that was weird. Anyways, y'all. That was the end of this video. Hopefully the thing recorded, because if it didn't, it's gonna be some bad things.
If it didn't record, then we're never doing this fucking video again. Sorry, peace
It
out.
was like meant to be not done, like for real. Anyways, I'm out this piece. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see more videos with me and her, let us know. Make sure y'all said we out. Peace out. Have a good night. And toodaloo.